Verb opposites with examples. Add, subtract. Example, add the numbers together. Subtract 5 from 10. Begin, end. Example, let's begin the meeting. The show will end at 9 p.m. Buy, sell. Example, I want to buy a new phone. They sell fresh fruit at the market. Come, go. Example, come here, please. I need to go home now. Find, lose. Example, can you find my keys? I always lose my sunglasses. Give, take. Example, give me the book. Take an umbrella with you. Open, close. Example, please open the window. Don't forget to close the door. Speak, listen. Example, speak clearly. It's important to listen carefully. Teach, learn. Example, she loves to teach English. We learn new things every day. Win, lose. Example, our team hopes to win the game. Nobody likes to lose. Join us and enhance your English vocabulary by learning these verb opposites. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content.